Hello everyone. Today I'm making crispy potatoes chicken lollipop, a recipe everyone loves. First, wash the chicken drumsticks, then pressure cook them until fully cooked. Once cooled carefully, separate the chicken from the bone and chop it finely. Side note, I also boiled some potatoes to mix in. This makes the lollipops extra soft and tasty. Now mix the chopped chicken and potatoes thoroughly. Add a pinch of salt, baking powder, and spices according to your taste. If you love spicy food, feel free to turn up the heat. For coating, beat some eggs on a plate and prepare breadcrumbs for that perfect crispy finish. Heat oil on medium flame. Then coat it with eggs and breadcrumbs. Dip each lollipop into the egg and breadcrumbs, and gently place it into the oil. Fry until golden brown and crispy on all sides. And that's it, you're yummy. Potato chicken lollipops are ready to serve. Enjoy them with ketchup and mayonnaise, or any dip of your choice. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.